doing that, is it? Hi guys, welcome. Just a bit of a slow start at the beginning at the moment. My PC has decided all of a sudden that it's going to use 90% of its RAM and everything's going to run like dog shite. So just bear with me 1 minute while I have a quick organisation to try and stop it. There is a certain... I seem to have a dodgy RAM stick somewhere and it just keeps grabbing it all. I'm just working on the other screen at the moment. It's just starting to drop RAM now. It just seems to be a buggy. When something's getting an update, it just seems to bug it. There we go, we're dropping off now. Let's just clear the RAM out. There we go, that's better. Restore that and then that should... Yep, there we go, we're back down to 45% of the memory. That's where it should be. I really need to find that buggy program. Right, hi Merseyrail. First, yeah, housekeeping. They've changed how YouTube's work. Some changes to YouTube that need doing. Facebook decided that they don't like their old way, so now we've got to sort that out, and the website needs sorting out. So I'm just having an hour before work. I'm gonna have my my dinner, breakfast, whatever you want to call it for me, is in the oven. So at some point you will have to put up with me eating that. I'll hide my camera for that, don't worry. And then yeah, from there right, I need to open that. It is. I don't want to open it as a bloody... Wait that second. Oh, now what's it in? It's not in there. This is the problem we have, is everything is just all over the show. There they are. Open with Photoshop. So it's just a bit of a rejig in a way, and sorting out all the bits that need sorting out. Ah, yeah, I remember why I can't do this now. So that is the picture I'm sure that is on the shirt. But it's more that white one. So I actually really want that white one open rather than the black. No, I don't want to share. I hate Windows for that new little share thing. What a load of balls that is. Right, so I want that, and then I want to select all of it. A new document. You want it that big to start off with. Oh, hang on a minute. No, I don't. I want new document. Pixels, background color, transparent. Right, and then we want to put that image. It's that option I want. No. Auto select layer. Copy that layer. Right, well that's not what I wanted. Is it? New file again, because it won't let me get rid of that. Disregard. No. New document. Right, what the hell is going on there? New document. Right, it's because it's now decided it wants to change the resolution. Right. Copy all of that. Paste all of that in there, right, which is what we want. And then from there I can readjust the layer, which is what I want to do. I'm going to put it roughly there. Like so. Should be a middle marker somewhere. There it is. Right, and then I want to add the text underneath. Scar, I'm all over the bloody show still. It's one of them. Add that text in there. That text is larger. That was centered like that. And then you want to crop it. Like that. Believe if I remember how to do this rightly. I hate Photoshop. can do it like this. This works for me. There, that's about the same. And then that one there. That makes a square image enough, doesn't it? I think it does. Save. Save in there. It's always hard work keeping it all up to date. Now I must save it as a ping, otherwise the background is not, and obviously a white background is not going to work very well. Yes, I know, thank you Google. Thank you for updating me on what you've just done. I'm going to export that. But for now, that needs to go into that one. Logo website. Because I don't know how this is actually going to look, so I'm going to find out now. Log in. Hi John. It's gone really slow, this service recently. Appearance, customize, logo. Right, so change logo, upload, that one. May freak out now because it's going to be the wrong dimensions. But it's trying. See how it looks. I would see how it looks, but it's not bothered with it. What is going on? Right, it's there anyway. So do that. I can work with that. I can work with that. If I change that to 250, what does that look like? Does that make it? And that makes it bigger, right? So if I go 150, $125. Ooh. Yeah, we'll go for 125. That's a very. Ooh, I don't know what I'm going for there. I think my internet connection's been a bit pants at the moment. Right, so that's that. So now if I go away, if I actually load up that doesn't look bad. I mean, I don't know what happened to them two images. Right, next thing that needs doing is something I didn't finish off doing the other day, or last night. I need to go into the extras now, filter, and I need to move Jim's coach, quick edit, out of extras into the Leyland Tiger, update, quick edit, into Leyland Tiger. For those that don't know, Jim's Coach has been sold, so Jim's Coach, that little series is done. However, we do have another coach which we might be involved in. I say we might be. I'll end up involved in it, which should be interesting. So now if I do that, that should get rid of them three out of that, and it has. Which then, if I refresh this, put that there, and yes, that is there. I'm going to clear the cache because something is not right here. There we go. Must have done an update. So The other one that needs to be added, I need to add another category. I can never spell Optare. I hate the spelling of Optare. Solo Optare. For someone who is thick as hell, trying to spell Optare, even though it sounds simple to spell, is so difficult for me. And hi, James. Optare Solo, a description. This small series on Optare Solo was cut short by more faults than the owner wishing to repair. Add that category and then go back into the posts, back into extras. That's alright, John, no worries. This will be, it'll probably be out for, it might stay up, it might get hidden afterwards, but the chances are it'll stay up. It depends on what happens in it. If stuff happens where it's like a little bit of a sneak peek, then it will get hidden, but we'll have to see. Right. Oh no, it's a solo. I wonder where that one goes. Optare Solo. Done. Now that's interesting. There should be another solo video in there, and there isn't, so bet that never got moved out of here, did it? Yeah, there it is. Quick edit. Get rid of that. Put it in there for now. Get rid of the early access. For now. Right. So that moves that into there, and then I need to go to Appearance, Menus, Solo, add that, then that adds it to the bottom. I need to move it up into other projects. Should really have it on them two on the bottom, and then this puts that in there, so we can just do sold / scrapped. And there, save menu. Oh, hi Ryan. I'm still not too sure where on the website we actually want to go. We want it in a way of showcasing the work that we're doing. But we have so many different things going on. It's a bit difficult sometimes to do it, because extras, we've got loads in here which they're a bit all over the show, if you know what I mean. And there's obviously posts missing because sometimes there isn't really much text to put to a post. So when there's not much text to put to the post, it tends to get removed. I mean, how would you guys want to see all the route videos listed on there? Or not? It's one of them, really. This website's made in WordPress, mate. Nice and simple when it all works. Because we've got this, like, this donation bit here that needs changing, because the supporters at the moment takes us to Patreon, I believe. Yes. And the Patreon area exists, but it needs to not exist anymore. That needs to be removed, and I need to find a different way of making it so the patrons get all their content at any time they want. Dinner's ready. Probably not. But apparently it is. I'll go looking if that's done in a minute. So, point of view videos, what's in here? See, point of view, we've got like the MOT video in here, which isn't... It's not really a point of view, is it? It's a ride-along sort of thing. That's a point of view video, that one. So it's a bit... Yeah. The shop takes you to Teespring. For now. Yes, it does. To which we've got our new stuff on there still. You'll see me wearing some of that in the future. Right. So that's that bit done. So then if we fire over to Sadbook. And then we have to switch out to Mac buses now, because that makes sense in some world. But let's see if the new profile picture works on Facebook. I don't think it will. I think it will cut off because it... Yeah. Yeah, we have to make it in black. Because they put a white background to it. Discard. That's not a problem. It's not a problem. I can't remember how I inverted it. Because last time, I'm sure, I just inverted all the colours. But it's alright, because in here I have the black version. Not stupid. I did, yes, unfortunately. Bit of a bummer, really, that, wasn't it? I am... It's one of them... I can sort of have permission to carry it on, but they want to bring in loads of rules of how I can and can't do it. So it's just not worth it, if you know what I mean. Let me get my dinner. 2 minutes. Told you, a few more minutes yet. Told you it won't be ready. Yeah, there's loads of rules that I'd have to follow to do it, and by the time I'd followed all these rules, it is not worth the hassle of doing it. What's that? 812 by 969. Put that in here then. 812 by 969. And it was centered, wasn't it? Like that. And then we can copy that layer onto that layer. Change the text colour to black. And then we can make sure that everything lines up the same. So A with that wheel arch, E is the end of that bumper. E is the end of the bumper, A is that wheel arch, sorted. So then we then can change the artboard resolution. The artboard is 1075 by 422. So crop it. What was it? 1000 and further. Is it 1075? Yeah, by 422. Right there. Oh, this one's much bigger. Looks about the same though. Oh, I'm reading the wrong one. 899. That actually made it smaller. Probably type it in there. 899. Right. So that's that done in black, and then save that. Logo in black. Oh, sorry, my chat's all the way over here. No point fanning about. It was fun watching you fly about in hybrids. There's a video pushing the hell out of an E400. I think it was 231, but I can't remember. Yeah, you'll find some of the thrashing videos are still there, but a lot of them, all the service ones have had to go. I've managed to sneak in. I say that. Now I'm saying it. There'll be. You need to remove them. I've managed to sneak in the ones which didn't involve passengers. Just like the B10 one and the ones at the back and stuff. I've managed to sneak them back on there, and no one said a word to a dicky bird about it yet. But always check Odyssey and Library, because once they remove off YouTube, I forget about it, and they automatically back up on there. So I'll always tend to forget about it. So a lot of videos that are actually removed off the main channel might actually be on Odyssey Library. It's the same thing. But I know there's no root videos on there. Because that started after that. So yeah, they're not there. But you know, sometimes the video might be, there might be a video there still from that day. See, that doesn't work now because I have to make that canvas bigger to fit that logo in. So discard that second. So to make that work, we're gonna make the artboard bigger. Make it 1280 by 1020, is it? That's not worked, is it? Because it's all over there. We'll just go with this size. Export this size. Just save that as artboard 1. Right, now let's try it in here. Make it temporary for now, because I'll have to see what the others think of that. I think that looks a bit shit, to be honest. Excuse my French. But because Facebook doesn't do the transparency, it's like, I did save it with transparency, didn't I? Yeah. So because Facebook doesn't do the transparency, it doesn't look right. Oh, switch back. It doesn't look right. That looks better for that. Oh, pizzas, hang on. They'll be burnt to a crisp now. Not the cooked. Cargo Town Pizzas! Alright, do you enjoy driving the hybrids, or can you not say? I gave up caring ages ago. I care to a kind of thing, but, you know, I'm not that bothered that much anymore. I hate the hybrids. I hate them with a passion, don't like them. However, the Versas, I don't mind them. They're quite a nice hybrid, actually. Right, so... See, they cut this off. Keep it with that for now. Why do you want to just... why would you want to just share that you've changed the description? Fucking stupid. We want to help you learn about the new page experience. Yes, it's a load of shite. It's a load of crap. See, because now it appears as a story. So now I can follow stuff as Mank buses. Stupid. Let's add a university, shall we, for where Mank buses went. And a relationship status? What is it? Is it complicated, is it, between the two buses? Gee whiz. What a load of rubbish. We can add a gender of Mank buses. An interest. Work and education. Places we lived in. A relationship. A family member. Add a family member. 314. It's its sister. Add a family member. 7176. Sister. Why not? Oh God. Life events. No events to show. Yeah, because it's not a person. Add a hobby. Seriously, man. Do need to sort that out though. Sorry, it depends. The verses are not bad actually. Right. Look at all. Go to the creator studio to manage this page. Get out of it. It just doesn't. I have top fan badges. Is that it? I can't remember, to be honest. It's been that long since I've been Hyde Road. It's a lot to do. Right. So I need to go into the calendar. needs doing now. I see no one really bothered with that then. So it's difficult to eat and do this, but I nearly have to get ready for work anyway. So, last thing I need to do today, which I can start doing the stream because it's nearly time for you to find out anyway. In fact, yeah, because there's only that one left because it's a Wednesday. Yeah. So we need to do April's videos now. She's here. She's already going to cause me a headache. I know that straight away. Just know it straight away that it's going to cause an headache. Right, so I want to write a new one. Shut up, you don't know anything about the bus reform. Very clear. How are my viewers for the bus reform? More to the point, are we for or are we against it? I can tell you for one thing, I am against it, but go on, fire it in. Yes, the franchising model. We have on the 7th. What was it? Yeah, she's on the same page as me then, James. Thinking it's a load of rubbish. I can't believe, right, I was so far ahead of videos. I've just hit the brick wall and that's it. 8th. What's that one? Body panels. Hang on a minute. Hang on a damn minute. Hey, I've screwed up. I've screwed up. I've screwed up. Oh, how to fit a top plate, the extended version. Where's the short version? Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Hey, how have I done that? Sorry guys, when the realisation falls in that it's I've messed it up. I have as well. Oh no, there it is. If it's there. Hey, what have I done here? Have I put it out on Patreon? There's the extended version. I've missed it. I've missed it. Oh, damn and blast. Okay. Okay. Where do I put that then? Oh, where do I put that then? Is this the actual finished one?
Raid is a free-to-play action RPG for both PC and mobile.
Yeah, they will go up.
This is how fast YouTube is with Brave. Notice how there's no pre-
This advert, by the way, right, it's ironic, innit? Notice how there's no pre-roll ads, yet they're running pre-roll ads to get the customers. The irony seems lost on
roll ads. And here's how you can see.
On Patreon, they do a much fairer deal for us, and oh, some of them ads need removing, but yeah, that's the finished version. So, how have I missed it? Right. Well, where to put it then? Do you get an extra video or do I push everything over one? The problem with pushing everything over one is there's a lot of changes I have to do. So where do I put it? franchising goes ahead, would we have something to have an MDT? Not too sure. Well, definitely a bit worn now, isn't it? Because I don't know where to put it. Just when I was typing body panel, I'm like, I've not seen the top plate video. Okay. Now technically I can go round the early access thing because they've already had the extended version of it. See, the thing is, if I release an extra video in a week, right, it can throw that video stats off and upset the algorithm. But all of them are in... Oh my god, what have I done? All of them are already in Patreon and they're already pre-released. That was bad on my tooth, Jesus. In the sense of that, on that day, they'll release themselves out of early access. So, the guesswork now becomes of which video do I think is going to flop. It's either going to be that one or that one, I think, that are going to flop. But then again, the B10 one tends to flop, if I'm honest. And the B10 one is pretty crap. Alright. Top placed. We'll do it on the 21st. So instead of that, it's going to be Dennis Start top plate. Replacement. Right. Oh yeah, I've got to post this post because I can't schedule it anymore here in the new regime. What, 15 minutes and I need to be ready for work. So, I'll post that now. That needs to stay pinned for now. Can't move that forward, unfortunately. So, leave that there anyway for now. Right, I'm going to have to go. I need to take care of a few things before I go to work. And I need to get ready for work physically. So, thank you for all those that have joined us. And I hope you enjoy our next videos that are out next month. And yes, I will release immediately after this stream. I'm going to release the B10 one. Just because it's a rubbish video, and I'll release that and then keep that one for there. And yes, he is back at Hydro. So, stay tuned on the channel because in a few minutes time it'll be released. In fact, I can do it now. I can do it now while you're there. Let me just change the name to Wheel Arch Experimentation. Volvo B10 BLE 176. Put that for instant public premiere. It's only 10 minutes long, so right, so head over to that one. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.
I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control.